first thing you're going to need is a place to put your wall collage. I'm just putting it right here on this wall. Next, I just went through VSCO and found some really cute photos that I screenshotted and added to a photo album. And then I just went ahead and printed all those photos. So these are just the printed photos, and now you're going to take those and you're going to need also some painter's tape and a paper cutter. And right here, I'm just going ahead and cutting the photos with the paper cutter. Finally, I finished cutting out the like 100 photos I printed out, and now we're going to tape them. The way I taped them was I just took 2 tape donuts, tape bubbles, whatever you want to call them, and placed them on opposite ends of the photo, and then eyeballing it, like literally eyeballing it. I lined them up in rows of 4 and just went off there, and eventually I got something like this. As you guys can tell, this is very easy and cheap to make, so if you guys recreate this, please send me it. I'd love to see it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Love y'all.